Are all living things linked by a common evolutionary ancestor? Imagine a giant family tree stretching back billions of years, connecting every living thing on Earth. Have you ever wondered if all life shares a common starting point? Well, scientists say yes, and there's a lot of evidence to back this up. Everything from tiny bacteria to huge whales is part of this vast family tree. It all begins with DNA, which is like the instruction manual for life. Every living thing uses DNA to build and run itself. The way DNA is read and translated into proteins is almost identical across all species. This shows that all life inherited this system from a single original ancestor. Another clue is how all cells make proteins. They use tiny machines called ribosomes. No matter if you're a human, a plant, or a bacteria, your ribosomes look and work very similarly. This common machinery suggests a shared history. Plus, all living things use the same set of 20 amino acids to build proteins. These amino acids have the same shape and properties in every organism, which is unlikely to happen by chance in unrelated life forms. All life also relies on a molecule called adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, for energy. Whether you're running, thinking, or growing, ATP powers your cells. This universal energy source points to a common origin. When scientists compare the genes of different species, they find many similar genes. For example, humans and chimpanzees share over 98% of their DNA. Even more distant species like bacteria and humans share core genes involved in basic cell functions. Looking at body structures also supports this idea. Many animals have similar limb bones, like arms, wings, or fins, which all come from a common ancestor. Snakes have tiny leg bones, and humans have a tailbone, even though we don't use them anymore. These leftover structures are called vestigial and show how species evolved from ancestors that used these parts. Scientists also find broken or non-working genes called pseudogenes in many species. The same pseudogenes in different animals suggest they inherited them from a shared ancestor. Fossil records show how life has changed over millions of years, and the distribution of species around the world matches what we expect from evolution. All these pieces of evidence, from genetics and body structures to fossils, point to one clear idea. All living things on Earth are connected through a common ancestor. This shared history explains why life is so diverse yet also so similar in many ways.